مرحبا بكم في قناة Tuts التعليمية. ادعم القناة بالاشتراك وتفعيل الجرس والإعجاب. Unit 4 الوحدة الرابعة. Beautiful nature الطبيعة الجميلة. Listen and point استمع وأشر.
Look, it's a snake. It's short. No, it's long. Look, it's a plastic bag. It's beautiful. No, it's ugly.
Look, it's a snake إنها أفعى. It's short إنها قصيرة. No, it's long إنها طويلة. Look, it's a plastic bag إنه كيس. It's beautiful إنه جميل. No, it's ugly إنه قبيح. 3. Listen, point and say استمع وأشر. Then write sn or sh.
Snake, snake, snow, snow.
Snake, snake, snow, snow.
Shake, shake, show, show.
Shake, shake, show, show.
Show me the snake. Point at the snake. Now you say it.
Show me the snake. Show me the snake.
4. Look around and find a beautiful or an ugly object. ابحث عن شيء جميل أو قبيح. انظر لهذه المحادثة واستفد منها.
Find something that's beautiful or ugly.
Look at the beautiful flower. Yes, it is.
Look, it's a plastic bag. It's ugly.
No, it's not. Yes, it is.
Good. Can you find more?
I can أستطيع act out one of the talks about nature. بعض المحادثات عن الطبيعة. Find something beautiful or ugly. أعثر على شيء جميل أو قبيح and say look, it's a plastic bag مثلا. It's beautiful أو أقول ugly. Rhythms and listening. Chant and march. قم بهذه الأنشودة.
I love the mountains. I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and look, I look and smile. I'm happy to be under this sky.
I love the mountains. I love the rolling hills. I love the flowers. I love the daffodils. I love the campfire when all the stars are out. I sit and look, I look and smile. I'm happy to be under the sky.
I love the mountains. أحب الجبال. I love the rolling hills. وأحب التلال. I love the flowers. أحب الزهور. I love the daffodils. زهور النرجس. I love the campfire. وأحب أيضا النار عند التخييم. And all the stars out. When all the stars all out. عندما تكون النجوم ظاهرة. I sit أجلس and look أنظر. I look أنظر and smile وابتسم. I'm happy to be under this sky. وأنا سعيد أنني تحت هذه السماء. 2. Listen, say and number then read. الآن علينا التدرب على نطق حرف الإس.
Listen, point, and say. Number 1. Mountains, mountains.
Mountains, mountains.
Number 2. Cats, cats.
Cats, cats.
Number 3. Faces, faces.
Faces, faces.
Now listen, read, and number. If you hear z, z, write the number 1. If you hear s, s, write the number 2. If you hear is, write the number 3.
Are you ready? Let's begin. Ducks, ducks. Flowers, flowers. Hills, hills. Dresses, dresses. Snakes, snakes. Noses, noses.
حرف الاس ينطق بثلاثة طرق. الطريقة الأولى ز مثل mountains، وس مثل cats، وإز مثل faces. 3. Listen and match. أقرن then chant and do. وقم بهذه الأنشودة وحركاتها.
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November.
Back to school, it's fall. September, October, November.
Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February.
Getting cooler, winter's here. December, January, February.
Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May.
Flowers are out, it's spring. March, April, May.
Yummy, summer's here. June, July, August. Are you ready to chant and do?
I can أستطيع chant the I love the mountains chant. أقوم بهذه الأنشودة name seasons and months وأسمي الفصول والشهور. It's fall إنه الخريف وشهور الخريف هذه باللغة الإنجليزية. Winter إنه الشتاء. Spring إنه الربيع. Summer إنه الصيف. Words in action. Listen, point and say. الآن قم بعمل هذه الإشارات لتبين المعاني.
1. Long.
Long.
2. Short.
Short.
3. Big.
Big.
4. Small.
Small.
5. Quiet.
Quiet.
6. Noisy.
Noisy.
7. Weak.
Weak.
8. Strong.
Strong.
4. Do the opposite action. قم بالعمل المقابل. مثلا لو رجعنا إلى هذا كل عمل هو مقابل الآخر. long طويل، short قصير، big كبير، small صغير. quiet هادئ، noisy مزعج، weak ضعيف، strong قوي. الآن قم بالتمثيل أمام زملائك وزميلك يقوم بعمل أن تقوم بالمضاد له.
It's big. It's gray. What is it? It's a mouse. No, it's an elephant. A mouse is small. It's small. It's green and blue. What is it? It's a fish. No, it's noisy. It's a parrot. Yes, it's a parrot.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
اللعبة تقوم بصفة شيئا ما ولونه ثم يخمن الآخرين ما هذا الحيوان. I can أستطيع act out one pair of opposites وأقوم بالتمثيل الكلمات المتضادة long, short, small, big وغيرها. Describe and guess what or who. أن أصف شيء ولونه وأحاول تخمين ما هذا الشيء ولونه. Phonics صوتيات. Listen, read and say. كرر هذه الحروف والكلمات.
C and G jingles.
says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
To listen, point and say right gr, gl or kla. الآن علينا كتابة الأحرف في الكلمات الملائمة.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. G says goat. Goat.
G says goat. Goat.
C says coat. Coat.
C says coat. Coat.
CR says crab. Crab.
CR says crab. Crab.
GR says grass. Grass.
GR says grass. Grass.
GL says glass. Glass.
GL says glass. Glass.
CL says class. Class.
CL says class. Class.
Crab. Grass. Glass. Class.
3. Listen to the teacher and hold up the letters. الآن قم برفع هذه الحروف عندما يقال لك هذا الحرف أو الكلمة تحويه.
Are you ready? Let's start. Can you make this word? Bag.
B.
Ga.
Bag.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Cat.
K.
T.
Cat.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Bug. Ga.
Bug. We got it.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
I can أستطيع. Tell if the words start with ك or ج. أخبر بداية هذه الكلمة بحرف السي أو الجي ونطقها ك ج. Say 2 words that begin with ك and 2 words that begin with ج. وكلمتين تبدأ بك وكلمتين تبدأ بج. Advice time. Nature is your home. الطبيعة منزلك. Look after it. اعتني بها.